In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Huntington Bank locations near me. If you need to locate a nearby Huntington Bank branch or ATM, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find the closest place for in-person banking, cash withdrawals, or other banking services while you're out and about. To begin, go to the Huntington website at huntington.com. Once the site loads, you'll be looking for the branch and ATM locator. Huntington provides a built-in tool that helps you search for locations near you, so you do not need to browse through the website manually for very long. When you reach the locator page, you'll see the section designed to help you find Huntington Bank ATMs and branches near you. This page is meant to make the search quick and convenient. Depending on your device, you may see a map, a search bar, or both. The map gives you a visual view of available locations, while the search field lets you enter a specific area. Next, find the search area for locating your nearest Huntington. This is where you can tell the website exactly where you want to search. If location services are enabled on your device, the site may already show results close to your current position. If not, that's completely fine, because you can search manually. In the search field, type in an address, zip code, or intersection. This is useful because it gives you flexibility depending on what information you have. For example, you might enter your home zip code, a street address near your workplace, or a major intersection if you're traveling. Try to enter the information clearly so the locator can return the most accurate results. After entering your location, click on Go. This tells the locator to run the search and look for Huntington locations in that area. It may take just a second to load, depending on your connection. Once the search is complete, all the nearby locations will appear. You should see the results displayed on the map and often in a list as well. From there, you can review the closest branches and ATMs and choose the one that works best for you. In many cases, the listings may also help you compare locations more easily based on where they appear on the map. And that's it. By going to the Huntington website, opening the branch locator, entering an address, zip code, or intersection, and clicking Go, you can quickly find Huntington Bank locations near you.